Hello, beautiful audience. We are glad to have you guys back on this channel once again. And just in case this is your first time of coming across this channel, this is Blessing Godwin's TV. And guys, it's been a while. We have been absent from this space. Yes, we are really sorry about that. We had to manage business, manage families, and also lots more. And that's why we have not been duly active on this space. So we are very, very sorry about that. And yes, we are back again. And right now, we are taking you guys to the government house and governor's lodge that is under construction in Awka, the capital city of Anambra State, Nigeria. And this project is being undertaken by the current government of Anambra State, that is the Soludo's administration. Yes, just in case this is your first time of seeing this project, this is a project that is being undertaken by the Soludo's administration in Awka. And we are going to take a look at what is going on around this facility and also within the facility. So over here, it's a roundabout that will be constructed around this area. Yes, you can see they have digged a hole around here, and they have first of all filled stones inside the hole before applying before filling sharp sands on top of the stones. Yes, they have put in lots of stone beneath the ground. They have buried them beneath the ground at this spot, and now they are filling it with sharp sands. Yes, I'll also show you the sharp sand that they are using to fill this hole. So they are going to construct a roundabout at this particular spot, a very beautiful one at that. Yes, I saw the prototype of this roundabout. It is going to carry lights. It's going to carry both directions. Yes, right on top of this roundabout, you are going to see both directions that will be leading you to different locations, just in case you are new around this area. So the thing is, it is going to be a very beautiful roundabout at this particular spot, right before the governor's lodge and government house that is under construction. So when I found out about this particular project that will be done here, I actually knew that this area is going to be really, really beautiful by the time they are done with the construction of this government house and governor's lodge in Awka. And you can see that it is right behind the federal secretariat. Yes, that's the federal secretariat right over here. And this roundabout will be right behind the federal secretariat. So before we look at what is going on within the facility, let's also take a look at the road construction that is going on right besides the facility. Yes, this road is going to open up these areas completely and entirely. So let's take a look and see what it looks like. The last time we did the cover of these areas, we knew how it was. So let's also look at it again and see if there has been progress from what it used to be or not. Wow, so over here you can see that they have already begun the demarcations in between the road. Yes, they are already dualizing the road from this point. You can see the pavements in between the roads. And I think this is a very, very good one already. It's already making the area look beautiful. And just like I told you guys on the other video, this area is going to be one of the hottest areas in Awka by the time this facility is set. Yes, this area here is going to be one of the hottest areas in Awka. And also don't forget that a lot of people have already begun to move into these locations. Yes, people are already buying up plants in these areas. and while some have been commenced construction, but a lot are still waiting for the road to be completed before they will resume construction on their properties. So like I've told you always, this is going to be one of the hottest areas in the capital city by the time this project is being done with, and I'm not joking about that. So for those who have foresight, they would actually begin to look into these locations. And the other side of it is that rent would increase in these areas because, being that the government house is practically opposite a lot of private buildings around these places or commercial buildings around these areas, the rents are certainly going to increase in these areas. And that is one thing about our people. Yes, once a place is looking good and lively, they tend to increase rents. Also, the good thing I noticed about this construction that is going on right now is that there have been walkways besides the road. You can see that they have done walkways also right besides this road. Like on both sides of the road, there is walkway, and that's a very good one. That alone should let you know what I'm talking about. This area is going to really develop. Yes, it's going to be so beautiful by the time most of these constructions are done with. Seriously, it is going to be beautiful. You can see there are walkways already being done, and I believe it will get up till that the culvert we got to the other time. I don't know if you remember that culvert we got to. We'll also get to that point and see what is happening at that area also. But right now, this is what is happening at this side. There has been progress, and that's a very good one. Yes, there has been progress from what we met the last time we covered these areas. There has been serious progress. So let's keep going so that we'll keep seeing what these guys have done on this road. So far, so good since we covered this area. Okay, over here they are still doing the walkway. Okay, work is still in progress. That's a very good one. Work is still in progress. Yes, work is still in progress at these sides of the road. Okay, they are still working on the walkway, and hopefully this road will get done with in due time. Yes, and by the time this road, as in by the time they might have done asphalt on this road, guys, I just imagine how beautiful this place is going to look like. Like it's going to beautify these areas completely. Like, wow, by the time they are done with asphalt on this road, it is going to beautify, as in it's going to be so beautiful, and these areas are going to really explode. Yes, so that's why I always talk about coming around these areas to get properties. Like if you really want to get a land or anything, I always talk about it whenever we come around these areas. Guys, if you really want to get a land, get a property or whatever it is, please come and get it around these areas. This area is going to be a hotspot, like a serious hotspot in no time. Yes, before some few months or years now, these places are going to be a very hot location in this city. So if you really want to develop a land, or want to get a land to develop, even if it's commercial or private, wherever it is, you can come and get it along these locations. So over here you can see the culvert we met at the other time. Yes, that's the culvert over there, and frankly I expected that before now they would have filled this road up to the culvert, but they have not filled it already. But the thing is, work is still going on, and so let's hope that they will get to that point as soon as possible. Yes, I expected that before now they would have done the fillings so that the road would actually take shape, but they have not actually done the filling the way I expected. But the thing is, work is still in progress, and that's a very good one. Yes, you can see that they are actively working. Okay, work is actively in progress, and That's a very, very good one from these guys, the GL, the construction company. And you can look at the terrain around this neighborhood, and you will see that lands have been bought up. Like lands, all these lands you are seeing here have been bought up. There is no land anymore, except you are buying from someone who is reselling. Lands here has all been bought up. So don't even look at the bush. So over here also, we also look at inside this facility. This is within the government house and the governor's lodge. Yes, what you are seeing here is at the back. Okay, I started from the back. So this is behind the governor's lodge and government house that's under construction, and you can see how far work has come and also still going on. Yes, the workers are working in this facility day in, day out, to see that it gets completed in no time. And at the same time, the state government is really taking this project seriously so as to get it completed as soon as possible. You can see what is happening within this facility from this point. Yes, this is behind the governor's lodge facility. This is behind it. Okay, we'll also go to the major entrance of this facility so that we'll also look at what is happening from that angle. Okay, yeah, but from this angle you can see the second gate. This is the second entrance. Yes, not the major entrance. Okay, so this is what is happening along these areas at the moment. Yes, this is actually what is going on at the moment within the facility. You can see there are a whole lot of structures that are being springing up inside this facility. A whole lot of structures are actually being springing up. They're springing up right now, and the state government is not relenting in seeing that this project come to reality, because so far so good. They have come a long way. Yes, from what it used to be to what it is now. They have really come a long way, and I wouldn't be surprised that this project will actually get completed soonest with the way it is going right now. Yes, it will really get completed sooner than even expected. So from here, I'll also take you guys to the front gate. That is the major entrance. Yes. So over here is the major entrance into this facility. Okay. You can see the surroundings. This is the major entrance into the government house and governor's lodge that is under construction in Awka, the capital city of Anambra State, Nigeria. So let's take a brief look around the surroundings before we now step in to see what is going on within this facility in the capital city. So by the time this construction is done with, seriously, this particular project here is going to give Anambra a new look, and a really befitting one at that. Yes, this project is going to give the state a befitting look, because where we have international visitors coming into the state or international investors, and I believe this is the first place they are going to step their foot in. And first impressions matters a lot, because what you first see will give you the impression of what the capability of the state it's all about. Okay, so getting this project done is not actually a bad one, frankly speaking. Giving the state a befitting government house and a governor's lodge is not a bad move at all. And I really appreciate the state government for what it's doing, because I believe this project is going to get the state more international investors would actually come into Anambra State. And when they come, they would invest. They wouldn't just come and go like what we used to experience before now. Yes, this time around when they come, they would want to invest, because what they would see would give them a very good impression or vibes. Yes, that the state is capable of handling whatsoever they have to invest in the state. So looking at this particular, this is the front areas. Okay, the other time I showed you the back, the works are going on behind it. So this is what is going on right in front of the government house and governor's lodge that's under construction. You can also see that a lot of structures have been done with already, and even new ones are coming up. Like the last time we did this and we covered this project, this particular building here was not there. This one they are building now, it wasn't there the last time we covered this project. But now you can see that they have even gotten up to the lintel level already. So work is going on. A whole lot of work is going on within this facility, and I believe by the time they are done with this facility, this is going to be one of the best government house and governor's lodge in the southeast. Not just one, this is going to be the best government house and governor's lodge in the southeast by the time they are done with this project. I don't know what to think about that, but if you have any thing in mind, you can also let us know about that on the comment section. But I'm just saying, as in my own opinion, okay, from what is going on right now, I would say that this will be one of the best government house and governor's lodge in the southeast. So if you say it's not so, you can let us know about that on the comment section. Yes. So guys, we are still at the Anambra State Government House and Governor's Lodge that's under construction by the Soludo's administration in Awka, the capital city of Anambra State, Nigeria. And this is how far this project has come. Yes, work is going on day in, day out within this facility, and you can see it for yourself. A whole lot of structures have been done with already, and even more are springing up, and we hope that this project will get done with before time. If you have watched up to this point, thank you so very much. Comment on this video, share, and give this video a massive thumbs up. Remain blessed and see you on our next epic video coming your way. Bye for now.